Namaste, welcome everyone. Good evening. And thank you for joining one more time to keep the promise with your own self to sit down and meditate. You know, dear friends, one of my teachers in the first initial classes of meditation asked this question to us. What is the most difficult part of meditating? And we said, thinking about the thoughts are racing, and we are not able to stabilize our body, and different things. He said, you know what is the most difficult part of meditating is just sitting down for meditation. So once you commit yourself to sit down for meditation, you will see that it's not for 2 minutes, not for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but for hours you can meditate because your soul loves to meditate. So as I shared with you, we are just going to connect back to our soul, which loves to meditate, So a lot of people have been asking me that we have missed yesterday's meditation. So don't worry. I'll be recording all the meditations and I'll be putting it on the website, and I will be also sharing it on my YouTube channel. Okay, my voice is breaking. Is it for everyone? Ishika, am I okay? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes, it's for everyone.
Not breaking. Okay. So in case it is breaking, please check your connection. Everything is well here, and we invoke all the God, gurus, angels to keep the connection fine, and things will be very smooth. Today is a very special day. Today is the beginning of the Pitru Paksha. Today is that time of the year wherein we invoke and address to our ancestors. And you know, we are a part of our ancestors. Ramana Maheshri said, what we are is what we carry through the river of life which our ancestors has given us. Our eyes are like our grandmother. My hair possibly may be like my forefather. And my smile probably must be like my bua. So all of you is a part of all your ancestors. You may know and remember, you may not know and not remember, but that is the ultimate truth. And this time is the time when we call them, we respect them, and we also connect with them deeply. So before I begin the meditation, again, I hear from Subhashri that my voice is breaking. Please tell me, friends, is my voice audible? Is it disconnecting?
It's breaking in between.
It is breaking in between?
It's breaking there.
Breaking in between, ma'am.
So, okay, give me a moment. Let me again check. Just give me a moment. Is to connect with our own breathing, connect with our own process of breathing. So in case my voice again breaks, it's fine. Just focus on the breath. You'll be able to hear me loud and clear. So as I was sharing yesterday, there are 3 stages of meditation, and those 3 stages are complete and deep relaxation of the body. Second stage is concentrating on a single pointed focus. It can be a third eye, it can be a picture of your God or Guru, or it can be just your breath. And the third stage is expansion. You are expanding yourself to the point where there is no difference between anyone who's outside or you. You are one with all, and everyone is one with you. Second principle of meditation is that your breath, your mind, and your energy, your breath, your mind, and your energy, these three are interlinked. Yes, Nami, you can. They are interlinked. Any change in one, you will see a change in the other two. So say if you saw a frightening movie and there is a change in your breath pattern, you see your breath is becoming faster, your energy will be very hastened. You will feel very tired or you will feel very flustered. So your mind will start to bring in all negative thoughts. What will happen? क्या हो जाएगा? मेरे अपनों के साथ क्या हो जाएगा? So align your breath, your mind, and your energy. And when you are able to do that, you'll be able to see a whole new shift in the way you begin to meditate. Now it's important for us to prepare our body to have an effective meditation. Otherwise, we are very fidgety. हम बैठ नहीं सकते हैं बिना हिले थोड़ी भी देर तक. तो फिर क्या किया जाए? Again, working with our breath. So I'm going to share with you double breath, wherein we inhale 2 times and we exhale 2 times. When we inhale from our nose. When we exhale from our mouth. So we inhale like this, exhale, and when we inhale, we tense our body. So we tense our body, we are bringing in all the obstacles, we are bringing all the toxins to our cells, and then when we exhale from our mouth, we are releasing all those thoughts, all those toxins out from our cells through the breath of our mouth. So let's see how do we do. Let's do it together. Inhale, tense, vibrate, vibrate, hold your breath, exhale. Exhale completely, throw your body, dump your body, and relax. Inhale one more time, inhale, tense your body. Vibrate with tension, hold your breath, exhale. Give yourself a moment. Relax completely. Throw off all the weight from your shoulders. One last time. Inhale, hold your breath, hold the tension from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. Exhale. Relax, relax completely. And if you are sweating, you did it right. Because it is throwing away all the lethargy, all the thoughts, all the toxins from the entire day. And now see, feel, close your eyes for a moment and see a new surge of energy. Some tingling sensation, some vibration is happening in your body. Some lightness, some heaviness you will feel in your body. Now, as we are ready to enter into this very special meditation to invoke and invite our ancestors, connect with them deeply, I earnestly request all of you either to sit comfortably on the chair with your back absolutely straight, back off the backrest, hands on your thighs or at the juncture of your thigh and the abdomen, palms facing up, or lie down. Lie down on your back with your hands on your sides, your legs a little apart, comfortably. Closing your eyes. Focus on your breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Every in-breath, inhale all the positive energies. Every out-breath, exhale all the negative energies. हर आती हुई सांस से सभी सकारात्मक ऊर्जाओं को अपने शरीर में प्रवेश कराइए और हर जाती हुई सांस से अपने शरीर से, अपने मन से सभी नकारात्मक ऊर्जाओं को बाहर की ओर फेंकिए। Be aware of your breath. Gently and slowly focus your attention only on your breathing. सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी सांस पर ध्यान लगाइए. And if there are any thoughts which are coming into your mind, tell them that you will deal with them later. मन तो भटकता है, लेकिन उस मन को वापस अपनी सांस पर, अपनी श्वास पर केंद्रित करना है, कुछ क्षणों के लिए, कुछ पलों के लिए. Every inhale, feel that you're energizing all the muscles, all the cells, all the tissues, and all the fibers of your body. Every out breath, you are thanking God for your breath. Thanking that you are alive. Every in-breath, you are allowing yourself to connect deep with your own self. अपने आप से, स्वयं से एक रिश्ता जोड़ना है. And every out breath, you are releasing any tensions, any worries, any anxiety that you might be carrying. And as I count you down from 5 down to 1, with each count, your physical body will completely relax and your mind will be absolutely calm. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Focus all your attention on the toes of both your feet. And feel or imagine a beautiful wave of relaxation entering the toes of your feet. Relaxing your toes, your ankles, moving up into your legs, relaxing your calf muscles, relaxing your knees and the underside of the knees. Give all the heaviness to the earth below. Feel this beautiful wave of relaxation going up across your thighs, up into your stomach, relaxing your solar plexus, your Manipura chakra, going up into your chest, relaxing your heart, opening your heart, relaxing your shoulders, coming down, relaxing your hands, your fingers in your thumb. And now your neck muscles are relaxing. Feel this beautiful wave of relaxation going up across your head, relaxing your scalp, coming down across your forehead, relaxing your eyebrows, your eyes, your nose, your lips and your chin, your cheeks and your ears, till your entire facial muscles are completely relaxed. आपका पूरा शरीर शिथिल और मन बिल्कुल शांत हो गया है. As I count you from 5 to 1, you will feel deep relaxation in your body and calmness in your mind. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest in your own quiet and relaxed space. This is your safe space, your comfortable space. And now, create a big tree on the screen of your mind. A large tree on the screen of your third eye, as if you are able to visualize, as if you are able to feel or just think that you are in the presence of a large, huge tree. एक बहुत विशालकाय पेड़ के सामने आप खड़े हैं. ऐसा पेड़ जैसा कि आपने आज तक शायद नहीं देखा हो. This is a huge tree. This is the world tree. Look at the green leaves, the lush green shade. Look at the thick branches, the thick trunk. You can even visualize the roots going down. Your mind's eye is very powerful, dear ones. You can perfectly visualize this beautiful big tree. Go ahead, touch the trunk. If you want to hug it, hug it. Feel the leaves. Listen to the sound of the breeze. And connect to it very deeply. Hug it. Put your ear to the trunk. And you will feel, you will see, you will know as if there is a small opening like a tunnel which is opening up specially for you. Know that this has the root, this has the journey towards your ancestors. I want you to follow that route of that tunnel, going down and down and down, and it is very safe as you see a sparkling bright light. Follow that light, my dear friends. As this light is becoming brighter and brighter, brighter and brighter, brighter and brighter, you come out to a beautiful, open, vast green space with a nice fire, like a campfire in the center of that vast green space. And around that sacred fire are all your ancestors gathered around. They may be your ancestors, or they must be just spirit ancestors. But वो इस धरती के पूर्वजन है. हम सब एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. देखिए, सुनिए, महसूस करिए उन सब पूर्वजनों को, उन सब स्पिरिट्स को, उन सब गाइड्स को, उन सब एंसेस्टर्स को. They are waiting for all of us to connect our energies, align our energies to them. And as you very gently give a smile to them, one of them will be coming towards you closer and closer, closer and closer, till you are able to see, feel, or just make sure that there is a divine presence. This ancestor connects to you deeply. Ask your ancestor, what is my lesson on this earth? What is my lesson on this earth? How can I contribute to this earth? How can I contribute to this earth? What can magnify my awareness to this present moment? What can magnify my presence in this present moment? Take a few breaths and listen to the answer. Go with the first thoughts, first feelings, first impressions. Continue the conversation. If you have any personal question, please ask. Your ancestor is there. His loving presence is there. And ask for a gift. And gladly you shall receive a gift. See what comes to you from your ancestor. Hold it closer to your heart. Is there anything you want to gift to your ancestor? Please do. और आप अपने मन के कैनवस में ये पेंट कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. This is a very overwhelming moment. Be there for another 1 minute. And now, thank your ancestor. Go closer to that campfire. Join your hands in a namaste and greet all your ancestors. Take blessings from all your ancestors. Feel as if a beautiful ray of energy, a shaft of light is coming to you from them, nourishing your soul, nourishing your mind, nourishing your energy. And now, your ancestor takes you towards the tree of life, that world tree, and a beautiful golden staircase appears. Thank your ancestor. And now, wishing adieu, climb up the golden steps, coming up and up and up, up and up and up, up outside that beautiful tree. And see that crevice, that tunnel has closed and you are outside standing again, looking at the vibrancy of that huge tree. Feel the breeze touching your hair. Feel the leaves falling on you as if you are getting a blessing. Thank the tree. And closing now the screen of your mind, bringing yourself very, very gently to your body in the here and now. Slowly integrating as I call you up from 1 to 5. Your physical body will integrate totally and completely in the present moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You are in the here and now. Connect with your breath. Connect with your fingers. Move your toes. Smile from within. Let your lips gently smile outside. Aligning the gift, aligning the answers you have received. Take a moment, friends, take a moment. And whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes, wide awake, with a beautiful smile. Eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly in the present. And if you can, I like to see your lovely smiling faces or calm faces. आपके चेहरों से, आपकी मुस्कुराहट से मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि कितना डीपली आप सभी ने कनेक्ट किया.
It was beautiful, Sangeeta.
Thank you. And
Thank you
for
so
all
much.
those,
Thank you. It was really amazing.
thank
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. But all those who feel that they are not able to get an answer, you are still in the process. Tonight when you sleep, you have that ability to again go down that world tree, again going down to that campfire, and again asking the questions. ये सब तो आपके मन के कैनवस पे ही है ना, आप ही इसको पेंट कर रहे थे, तो अब आप दोबारा भी पेंट कर सकते हो. So before sleep, give this intention, and the entire period of the Pitru Paksh, just seek lots of blessings from them, and see what is it that you can contribute. And I'm sure that you will be very, very deeply, very, very intently. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So I request, I know you might have questions. 2 minutes I will take a question, but put your question on the chat box. because we have beautiful soul sangha of 66 people. So this soul
Thank
sangha
you.
will have a lot of questions right on the chat. Ishika will take the question and will ask the question on your behalf. I am always available for you. If you want to reach out to me separately, ask your question, please feel free to message me, call me. I'm always there to answer as much as I know. So another 2 minutes. Ishika?
There is no question here as yet on the chat box, but Sneha,
Snehashish has a question.
yeah, he has a question.
Yes,
Snehashish, पूछो. Short में पूछना है.
मेरे आंसर दिया हुआ है, मैंने पैसा यूज कैसे करें?
स्नेहशीष, आपकी आवाज क्रैक हो रही है.
मैम
ओके, स्नेहशीष नहीं हो रहा बेटा.
दिया है मगर उनका मीनिंग मैंने समझ में क्या लिखा है. इंग्लिश, हिंदी, बंगाली कुछ नहीं है, दूसरे कुछ लैंग्वेज है.
Okay. So very beautiful experience, Snehashish. Connect with me separately. Call me. I'll transcribe that message for you. I'll help
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
I got you. I understand. Thank you for asking. This was a very
Okay, ma'am.
beautiful and deep question. Yes, Ishika, any more questions?
Yeah, so Manju Kalra says the first thing that my hands and feet were heavy in the last stage of the meditation.
That is because we do not want to come back. So I suggest you ground yourself by standing and just doing some squats. Okay, just doing some squats, or just imagining that you are here and the now. So you can just open your fingers, okay, and you can just stomp your feet a little. और अगर बहुत ज़्यादा heaviness लग रही है तो थोड़ा सा हल्का सा गर्म पानी कर उसमें सेंधा नमक डालिए, 10 मिनट के लिए पाँव दबाइए, and once you are out of it, you'll feel lighter and then sleep will be better.
And Gitanjali Didi also, she's asking how to concentrate and overcome thoughts.
Yes. So as I shared with you yesterday, that this is a soul sangha wherein we are coming to meditate. This is no class or workshop. We will definitely do that for going into the deepest nitty-gritty of meditation. However, at this moment, for bringing your focus and concentration on a single point, not letting your thoughts going outside, two things. One is double breath. Intently do the double breath. Second is bring your attention to your third eye and your breath. So the alignment, 3 alignments: your breath, your body, and your mind. Alignment करो. अगर एक alignment नहीं हो रही, मान लो mind की alignment नहीं हो रही, body की alignment करो. बैठ नहीं सक रहे हो, गीतांजलि आपका नीचे जा रहा था हेड, so lie down straight. Okay? एक alignment करोगे, बाकी के 2 alignments अपने आप हो जाए. Okay? So thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Yes, Gitanjali?
Yeah, actually, yesterday I lied down and I was doing the meditation, but I was very restless. I just couldn't focus or listen to a single word of yours. So today I thought I'll sit and do. So I sat today, and today was better than yesterday.
Excellent. Meditation is experimentation. Experiment what works for you. Your alignment of body, breath, and mind is different from mine and different from a third person. So experiment karo, dekho what works for you. Okay? All right. Thank you. Rest well, sleep well. Good night.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.